Get it. Really shoot your arms, man. Club. All right. Lock them behind. All right. Good job by you, Capri. Instead of worrying about something else or doing something outside the framework that we have to do, just master your stuff. Then each guy gets better as we go along. The big picture gets better. Okay? And that's how we got to do it.
What's up? What's up, Bulls Nation?
First damn Vero, baby. About to get it in.
Worry about you. Set. Come on. Come on. Worry about you. Always worry about everything else. Worry about you. Come on. Go. Hit it. Tomahawk it. Pick it up. Good job. Let's go.
Set. Hey. Hold it firm, guys. Hold it firm. There you go. Good job on that. Set. Good. Eyes. Good eyes.
Quicker than me. Ha. You gotta be faster. You go. Ha. Get on back. Hit. Come on, you gotta get your pads down and strike it now.
Let me get fire ready. Let me get water. Water.
All right, here we go. Get ready to go to work. Get a drink. All right, so you're ready. Here we go. Wait, put it in your body.
Working over here, baby. Working.
Feet on you.
Good. Get up and drive.
Stay hot. Get your face across and keep it there.
Good drive now. Drive.
Read 3, Diddy. Read 3. Stay there. Stay there. Good step, spot. Here we go. We're going to work.
Yeah.